How to make money with TikTok. With more than 1 billion active users every month, this Chinese social media app is hands down the most addictive one of all. Every single day, more than 30 million videos are uploaded on TikTok. And get this, every minute, users watch more than 160 million videos on it. Over 1 billion times every single day. It's incredible, isn't it? Now, before you think TikTok is just a cringy app for kids, dumb folks lip-syncing and dancing, just a surveillance software for the Chinese government, or a magnet for predators, well, you're not entirely wrong. But take a look at these not-so-smart teenagers and adults making thousands to even millions of dollars every single month. Well, are they really not so smart, or are we just missing out on something? Folks, it's 2024, and making money off of social media, especially TikTok, has never been easier. But hey, listen, you can't just go on TikTok and start making money. It's not how it works. You need to first study the platform and understand the ins and outs of it. But that's where my experience and research come to our rescue. So, make sure to watch this video till the very end, because it's jam-packed with a lot of useful tips and some really important information that you must know about this new strategy. Yes, I am talking about TikTok Shop. TikTok is a great source of free marketing, be it individuals or businesses. On TikTok, they have been able to grow faster, and their profiles have attracted more than thousands of followers in only a few months. This speed is far quicker than their journey on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. And no, you don't need to be rich in followers or bind yourself to any specific niche. However, I would recommend you to choose one, as it may help TikTok understand your account better and recommend it to the right audience who might be interested in your products and your account. Moreover, it helps in building a community. Now, the question is, how can you choose a niche? There are two ways to go about this. 1. Your interest, or 2. Trending products. You can explore FAST Moz analytical tool to find trending products. Take a look at these top products on TikTok. You can check the products in detail by clicking over here. Let's take a look at the commission rate by clicking on Product Search. It's usually between 10 to 20%. Health, beauty, and women's wear are always the top categories. You can either create content or repost clips around these trending products. Or you can first create content and then choose products relative to your content. I would recommend you go with the first one, as you'll be dealing with trending products, which means this is what people are looking for. This is what they want. Therefore, the chances of people finding your video and buying these hot products through your video are much higher. Alright, it's time to find out how we can actually implement these strategies and set up our TikTok shop. Make sure to follow along. First things first, let's search for seller.tiktok.com on your choice of browser. So, this is what the website looks like. You'll be asked to choose your role. You've got options: seller, creator, partner, or affiliate. But if your goal is to set up shop and sell products, then signing up as seller is the way to go. It's the path for getting your merchandise front and center for TikTok's bustling community of shoppers. Next, we need to choose our location. Unfortunately, as of now, TikTok Shop is only available in certain countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and some Southeast Asian countries, including Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, and the Philippines. The feature is not yet available in all countries, but it is expected to launch in more countries in the future. Now it's time to choose your preferred method of signing up using your email, phone, or TikTok account. Next, select your business type. Choose which describes your business the best. Click over here to find more information about them. You will need to provide some basic information about you, your business, and privacy data. Under Business Details, choose if you have a corporation or are an individual type. If you're an individual owner, you should upload pictures of the front and back of your passport, ID card, or driver's license. If it's a company, you'll upload a photo ID of the main person in charge, along with your business license or papers proving you can sell things online legally. Then, select a name for your shop. Fill out this form and submit your information. That's it. Now, just wait for TikTok to approve your application, which usually gets approved within 24 to 48 hours. Once you're approved for TikTok Shop, you'll be directed to this page. Let me break it down for you. First of all, take some time out. The Products tab is where you upload what you're selling. If you want to run promotions, go to the Marketing tab. And if you're into paid ads, you'll find them under Ads. Here's even an option for affiliate marketing. Just click on the affiliate tab over here. There's also a live and video tab for live streaming sales. In growth, you can connect apps to your store. The analytics tab shows your sales stats, and the account health tab is crucial. Keep your customer service and shipping good to avoid problems. Lastly, finances is where you get paid. To start selling, connect your TikTok account and upload your products. To do so, click on your profile, click on My Account, and connect your TikTok account. If you have lots of products on Shopify, use an app like Ownbase to import them to TikTok Shop. Now, to import products to TikTok Shop, head to the Products tab, select the items you want to add, and confirm. Fill in any extra details, like the product category, before hitting the Save button. Check the information thoroughly. Now, let's hit the Save button and it's done. Once you've got your TikTok Shop up and running, it's time to amp up your marketing game to attract more customers and boost sales. Think about creative ways to showcase your products to your followers and potential customers. Now, I'm going to share with you 3 amazing ways in which you can show these products in your videos. You can list your products in your live stream. This idea is especially great for creators. You can make engaging in-feed videos. Go live to demonstrate your products in action and utilize the Product Showcase tab to highlight your best offerings. Don't forget the power of collaboration. Partnering up with influencers and creators can give your products a massive exposure boost by reaching their dedicated fan bases. The second way is to tag products when you upload a video. And the third way is to add a shop page on your TikTok account and list all the products in a single place. Take full advantage of TikTok's shopping features. Make it easy for customers to purchase directly from your videos by enabling the shopping feature. This allows users to add products to their cart and check out without ever leaving the app, streamlining the buying process and increasing conversion rates. Another smart move is to explore TikTok's affiliate program. This lets you enlist users to promote your products and earn commissions on sales they generate. It's a win-win situation that can significantly expand your reach and drive more sales. So, get creative, collaborate, and leverage TikTok's built-in tools to take your TikTok shop to the next level. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Make sure to leave a comment letting us know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and make sure to turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until then, take care and see you in the next one.